Now, the most basic one would be wages and salary. So let's just assume we have a 50-50 arrangement for the child spends 1 week with one parent, 1 week with another parent, okay? And so it's 50-50. But one parent earns more money than the other parent. Well, even though they both have an equal timeshare, if they're both employees, that information gets input into the DissoMaster program, and the information comes from the income and expense declaration that you or your attorney will prepare. And then the DissoMaster will tell the judge what the child support should be. So even if you have an even timeshare, if you earn most of the income or more of the income, you may end up paying the other parent child support. Now, you could even have more than 50-50 timeshare. You could have 70% of the time with the child. But if you make more money, substantially more money, than the parent that has the 30% timeshare, you could still end up paying child support to the other parent. And stated very simply, the theory behind that is the standard of living for each household, so that when the child spends time in either household, the child's standard of living is not impacted dramatically. Okay, that can't always be avoided, but that's the general theory behind a child support calculation. Now, the FL 150 is a very important form, and it is subject to litigation and examination in a courtroom quite often. And I'm going to talk about some of the key points that I usually look at and cross-examine another party on the information presented. So on the first page, it's mostly basic information. But if we go to number 4 here, which says other parties' income. Other parties' income can be very important in a disputed child support calculation situation, because if one party does not adequately provide information to the court could look at the form that is properly filled out